The novel coronavirus continues to impact our lives here in the United States and across the globe. And I've gotten quite a few inquiries lately about whether people should update older wills and trusts to deal with issues related to the pandemic, and if so, how? Honestly, and I know it's not the most comforting thing to hear, but it depends. So let's go through a few issues to consider, which will help you understand the next steps to take. As an estate planning attorney, I generally suggest that my clients review their estate plans on their own at least yearly, and with me every 3 years. The laws governing wills, trusts, taxes, and estates are revised often, so this helps your plan stay up to date with the times. The most critical document I believe every adult needs during this pandemic is both medical and financial powers of attorney. These allow someone to manage your legal and medical affairs should you become sick and unable to do so. Unfortunately, many financial institutions will not honor a power of attorney designation that is over 12 months old. In this case, you should renew your power of attorney at the end of every year to make sure that it will be considered current. If anything has changed significantly in your life since your last review, such as a marriage, divorce, purchase, or sale of property, birth or death of children, grandchildren, adoption, inheritance, medical diagnosis, you should meet with your lawyer to update your plan. The plan is a snapshot of your life and your wishes, so you want it to be as accurate as possible. You also want to make sure that your plan reflects your current thinking. We recently heard from someone whose older plan stated that she was never to be placed on a ventilator under any circumstances. This person now wanted to update the language in her plan to state if she was diagnosed with the virus and a ventilator was necessary to save her life, it would be okay to move forward with that procedure. In all, the pandemic has given us all a lot to think about. I've talked with many people who once believed their affairs were in order, but have since discovered that their documents are out of date or no longer reflect their current wishes. The bottom line is that if you are unsure if your plan is sufficient, have it reviewed. If you need help with the process, please contact our office to schedule a complimentary consultation.